Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 45. Let us say here, a train covers a distance of 80 km at a uniform speed. Okay. Suppose solution of this question. Let us see. Suppose a train, it covers a distance of how much? 480 km. From A to B there is a distance that is 480 km. From uniform speed means speed is constant. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the usual speed of the train. Suppose the speed V that is equal to V1, we assume the V1 that is equal to X kilometer per hour, the usual speed. We assume it, this one the usual speed. Okay. Usual speed of the train, that is X kilometer per hour, we assume it. If the speed that is given X kilometer per hour, then if you find the time that is T1, you will get how much? The time taken by the train, at a speed V1, at a speed X or at usual speed. Okay, at usual speed. Okay, at usual speed, how much? It will be equal to T equal to T1, that is T1 equal to S by V, that S, that is the distance is given 480, and the speed we assume that is V1, it will be equal to X. So the T1 becomes 480 upon X. Okay, I hope this one clear up to which. Again, the question asking here, if the speed had been 8 km or less, what would happen? What will happen if the speed that is 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 or more time. If the speed is decreased by 8 km per hour, okay, let us see here, if the speed is decreased, okay, if the speed is decreased by how much? 8 km per hour, then the V2 becomes how much? The V2 becomes, after decreasing the speed, it will becomes X minus 8 km per hour. Okay, the distance is same here. The distance equal to 480 km. So from here the time that is T2, it will be equal, after decreasing, the T2 becomes S by V, that is the formula S equal to 480 upon V equal to X minus 8. And again, according to question tells us here, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Means this T2 is greater by 3 hours. The T2, this T2 is larger by 3 hours to this one, because it takes 3 hours more, means T2 is larger by 3 hours if you decrease the speed by 8 km per hour. So according to question you can write here that 480 upon X, it will be equal to 480 upon X minus 8, and T2 is 3 hours less, so we add 3 into T2 to equate it. And by mathematics we can also know that here numerator is same, but denominator is here X and here X minus 8. This one lesser denominator, so the value is greater. So this one lesser denominator, sorry, this one the lesser denominator, so the value is greater, and you have to equate these things, so we have to add 3 in it, not in it. Okay, the question here asking, let us see here, a train covers a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It means this one the greater, so we cannot add in it, we have to add in the smaller one. This one already greater, so we have to add in a smaller one. to equate it. And by mathematics we also know that numerator is same but the denominator is lesser, so this value will be greater, and with the question also tells this one the greater. So according to question you can write from here 3 equal to 480 upon x minus 8 and 480 upon x, and as you take the LCM of x into x minus 8 you get 480x minus, you have to multiply 480 into x, you get how much, 480x, and if you multiply 480 into 8 you get minus of 8 0 0, 8 8 64, 64, so 64 carries 6 and 8 4s are 32, 32 and 6 38, and as the minus go inside the bracket it will be cancel out, and we know that 3 equal to, this will go and becomes positive, 3840 divided by x square minus 8x, and as you multiply these things you get how much, 3x square minus 3 8 ja 24x, and it will be equal to 3840, as you take 3x square minus 24x and minus 384 in the right side it will becomes negative and it will becomes equal to 0. I think this whole things will be divided by 3, so we can divide by 3, you get x square and 3 8 ja 24x and minus 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 8 ja 24, you get here 1280, and as you multiply these things you get 1280, and as you factorize you get how much, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 16, 80, 40, 20, 10, 5. You have to arrange to becomes minus at x. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 16, 5 ja, okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32, okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, this one 32 and this one 40. So we decided to put here x square minus 40x and plus 32x, minus 40x and plus 32x to becomes minus 8x, and minus 1280 will be here, and from here it is easy to solve. X minus 40 will be remaining, and if you take 32 as a common, x minus 40 also be remaining and it will be equal to 0, and as you take x minus 40 as a common, x plus 30 will be remaining equal to 0, and from here you can solve this equation, x equal to 40 and x equal to minus 32. The speed cannot be negative value, so the x cannot be negative, so our answer is x equal to 40, which is the usual speed of train, that is equal to 40 km/h. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.